Hello everyone. In this class, we will discuss some numericals of electric flux. We will discuss some numericals of electric flux. Okay. The first numerical is from textbook exercise 15 number question. Question number 15. Okay. Suppose this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. X, y, and z axis. Okay, and the direction of electric field is along x axis. The value of electric field along x axis is how much? It is 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. Okay, the direction of electric field is along x axis, and the magnitude of the electric field is how much? 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. That means the electric field has only x component. Along y and z direction, there is no electric field. Okay, the value of electric field along x axis is how much? 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. Along y and z direction, the value of electric field is how much? 0. तो इसमें जो EY है, EY and EZ, that means direction of electric field along y and z is what? ये 0 है. That means along y and z direction कोई भी electric field नहीं है. Okay, then we need to calculate the flux through a square surface, of side 10 centimeter, which is parallel to YZ plane. This is our YZ plane. ये है क्या? ये YZ plane है. Okay, we have a square surface. This is a square surface. This is a square surface. ये square नहीं हुआ थोड़ा, sorry. This is a square surface like this. Okay. This is a square surface. This surface is parallel to YZ plane. Okay, ये जो surface है, this surface is parallel to YZ plane. If this is parallel to YZ plane, what will be the direction of area vector? Okay, this is parallel to YZ plane. That means this YZ plane and this square surface is parallel. Both are parallel. Okay, and the direction of area vector is always normal to the surface. You remember, the direction of area vector is always normal to the surface. Okay, and the side of the square is how much? 10 centimeter. Then what will be the area? Area will be equal to your 0.1 into 0.1. The direction of area vector is along x-axis. That is why it will be your I cap meter square, or it will be direction of area vector is 0.01 I cap meter square. Okay, these are given in the question. So the direction of electric field is along x-axis. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का जो डायरेक्शन है that is along x-axis. Along y and z direction there is no component of electric field. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का कोई भी component नहीं है, and the value of electric field along y and z axis is 0. That means electric field lines are passing parallel to the x-axis. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जो है वो x-axis का parallel है. Okay. So, what is the value of electric flux through a square surface of side 10 centimeter, which is parallel to YZ plane? ये जो surface है, this is parallel to what? YZ plane. Through this surface, what is the value of electric flux? Okay, so we know that the electric flux phi is equal to what? It is a dot product of electric field and area vector. Okay, what is the value of electric field? It is 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap. Okay, and area vector is how much? It is 0.01 I cap. Okay, okay, the magnitude is 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.01. okay, I cap dot I cap. Okay, I cap dot I cap, dot product of similar unit vectors is 1. I cap dot I cap is equal to your 1. In first year we have discussed this topic. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to 0.01 means 10 to the power minus 2. So I cap that I cap is equal to 1. So 3 into 10 to the power 3 minus 2 will be 1. So this 30. Total flux will be how much? 30. What will be the unit? Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, the value of electric flux. The value of electric flux through the surface of square surface of side 10 centimeter, which is parallel to YZ plane, is how much? 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, so this is the question number 15A. There is another question which is B. There is another part of the question, and on that question number B, if this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis, the direction of electric field is same. The direction of electric field is along x-axis. Direction of electric field कहाँ पर है? x-axis की तरफ है. And if the normal to the area vector is making an angle 60 degree with x-axis, suppose this time, this initially in question number A, the angle between area vector of this surface and x-axis is 0 degree, and this time the angle between area vector and x-axis will be 60 degree. This time this is the area. If this is our square surface, this time this is our square surface, this is our square surface, and the direction of area vector is always normal to the surface. You remember, the direction of area vector is what? It is always normal to the surface. ये v square है. This is the square of side 10 centimeter, and the direction of area vector is always normal to the surface, and this normal, that means this area vector will make an angle 60 degree with x-axis. So in second question, जो area vector है, the area vector is making an angle 60 degree with x-axis. Then what will be the value of flux? तो flux का value क्या होगा? Okay. Initially here, the area vector is making an angle 0 degree with x-axis, and here the area vector will making an angle 60 degree with x-axis. So in this case, what will be the flux? In this case, the flux will be equal to your EA cos 60 degree. EA, this is the magnitude of electric flux. It is a scalar quantity. The flux will be equal to your EA cos 60 degree. Okay. So it will be equal to your, what is E? E is equal to your 3 into 10 to the power 3, and area is how much? Magnitude of area is 0.01, and the value of cos 60 is how much? Value of cos 60 is equal to your half. Okay, if we simplify, it will be your 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, it will be your 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, this is the value of flux. This is very simple. Okay. We are taking another numerical of same type. Suppose we are given an electric field. We are given an electric field which is equal to, which is not example. This is from last year question paper. The value of electric field is how much? 6I cap. 6I cap plus 3J cap. 3J cap plus 4K cap. This is the value of, this is the electric field at any place. Okay, this is the electric field at any place. Okay, what is the flux through a surface of, what is the flux through a surface of 20 unit which is parallel to YZ plane? Okay, we need to calculate the flux through a surface of surface area 20 unit which is parallel to YZ plane. Suppose this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. In the previous numerical, the electric field has only I component, that means only x component is there. Along y and z direction, the value of electric field is how much? It is 0. But in this question, the electric field has three components, x, y and z component. That is why it is 6i cap, 3j cap plus 4k cap. तो इसमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का x कंपोनेंट भी है, y कंपोनेंट भी है और z कंपोनेंट भी है. तो इससे जो पहले हमने न्यूमेरिकल किया था, इन दैट न्यूमेरिकल द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हैज ओनली वन कंपोनेंट, दैट इज अलोंग x एक्सिस. ओके, हियर आल्सो we are given a surface, which is parallel to yz plane. This is the yz plane, ये है yz plane, and we are given a surface which is parallel to yz plane. ये जो surface है, this is yz plane and this is our given surface. These two are parallel, okay, and the area of this surface is also given, which is how much? 20 unit. Okay, area कितना है? It is 20 unit. It is given 20 unit. Okay, here the surface is parallel to what? The surface is parallel to yz plane. Okay, ये जो surface है ये किसका parallel है? yz plane का parallel है. Okay, then what will be the direction of area vector? Area vector का direction किस तरफ होगा? It is always normal to the surface. If it is on the yz plane, if it is parallel to the yz plane, the direction of area vector is always normal to the surface, and that normal is acting along x axis. वो नॉर्मल किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा? x एक्सिस की तरफ जाएगा. तो इसलिए जो एरिया वेक्टर है, द एरिया वेक्टर विल बी इक्वल टू 20 i cap. ये क्या होगा? 20 i cap unit. It is given like that. Electric field is how much? It is E is equal to 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and the area vector is this much, 20 i cap unit. Okay, we need to calculate the flux. Okay, so what will be the value of flux? Phi will be equal to your E dot A. तो लास्ट ईयर में एक हमने फॉर्मूला दिया था. सपोज if a vector is a vector which is equal to ax I cap, if you in component form it will be your ax I cap, ay j cap plus az k cap, the a vector in component form. Similarly we have a b vector in component form, bx I cap, by j cap, bz k cap. Then dot product of a and b will be how much? Ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, dot product of a and b will be your ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Similarly here also, what is the value of it? Will be, it is what? Dot product of e vector and a vector. It will be your ax plus ay plus az. Okay, here ex is how much? Here ex will be how much? Ex is equal to any the component of x axis, it is your 6, and what is ax? Ax means the component of x axis, which is equal to 20. Okay, this a vector can also be written like this. This a vector can also be written 20 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. We can write like this also. What is 20 is what? This is the component along x axis. 0 is what? Component along y axis. This is your component along z axis. इसमें देखो 6 is what? Component along x axis. That means this is ex, this is our ey, and this is our ez. Similarly, this is our ax, ay, az. So here ex is how much? It is 6. And what is our ax? Ax is your 20 plus ey is how much? Ey is equal to your 3. And what is our ay? Ay is how much? It is 0. Plus ez is how much? It is 4. And what is az? It is also 0. So the flux will be how much? It is your 120 unit. The flux will be how much? 120 unit. If electric field is given Newton per coulomb and if this is meter square, then what will be the answer? Then answer क्या होगा? Newton meter square per coulomb. But in the question, electric field and area are given in units. That is why I am writing the answer in unit. Okay? But here it is given in unit. That is why this is the answer. 120 unit. Okay? The flux will be 120 unit. These are very simple numerical. This is from last year question papers. Then I am giving a question. Suppose we have a cube. Suppose this is a cube. This is a cube. This is a cube of side A. Okay? And if a point source is at the center of the cube, suppose this is a point source. This is a point source cube which is at the center of the cube. ये जो point source है वो कहाँ पर है? At the center of the cube. Okay? Question is, what is the flux through its face? What is the in this diagram? What is the flux through its face? There are how many faces? There are 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. We need to calculate the flux through its face. Through its face, what is the value of flux? Okay, from this point source, electric field lines will emerging in every direction. ये जो electric field lines, so electric point source कहाँ पर है? Cube के center में है, तो इसीलिए electric field lines will be emerging in all direction. Electric field lines will emerging in all directions. Okay, how can you calculate the value of electric flux through one phase? Okay, for this we have to use Gauss's theorem. According to Gauss's theorem, the total flux phi is equal to what? Q by epsilon naught. Here, this cube, ये जो cube है, this cube can be considered as a Gaussian surface because this is a closed surface. ये जो cube है, this cube can be considered as a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface होने के लिए क्या होना पड़ेगा? The surface must be closed. Okay, the surface must be closed. Here, this cube is a closed surface, and that closed surface will enclose how much charges? This will enclose a charge of Q. ये जो Gaussian surface है, or you can say it is a closed surface. This closed surface will enclose a amount of charge which is equal to Q. And according to Gauss's theorem, we know that the flux through total flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Okay, और ये जो Gaussian surface है, we can consider the cube as a Gaussian surface, and that Gaussian surface will enclose Q amount of charge. This is what? This will be the value of total flux through the 6 phase. ये क्या होगा? ये total flux का value होगा. हमको क्या चाहिए? हमको चाहिए flux through each phase. What is the value of flux through each phase? The flux through each phase will be equal to your phi dash क्या होगा? There are 6 phases. That is why it will be your 1 by 6 Q by epsilon naught. It is equal to 1 by 6 into Q by epsilon naught. This is the value of electric flux through each phase. Okay. Then, okay, it is very simple. When the charge is at the center, the flux through each phase is how much? It is 1 by 6 Q by epsilon naught. It is okay. If the point source is on the vertices of the cube, then what will be the value of flux? Suppose this is our cube. If this is our cube, if the point source is on the vertices, अभी क्या है? When the point source is at the center of the cube, then flux through its face is how much? 1 by 6 into Q by epsilon naught. If the point source is on the vertices, here the point source is on the vertices, then what will be the value of flux through its face? This time, what is the value of flux through each phase? वो करना पड़ेगा. Okay? For that, ये जो vertices है, this vertices is common to what? This vertices is common to 8 cube. ये जो vertices है, this is common to 8 cube. कैसे वो हम diagram में दिखाते हैं? Okay? This is another cube. ये another cube है. Okay, and like this. Okay, these are the 4 cube. Okay, we can draw another 4 cube at the top of this, at the top. Okay, that means this point, this vertices is common to what? This vertices is common to 8 cube. In 1 cube there are how many faces? In 1 cube there are 6 faces. As there are 8 cube, that is why 8 into 6, there will be 48. There will be 48 faces. There will be 48 faces. But through here the surfaces are on the vertices. As the surfaces are on the vertices, okay, the electric field lines will passing through 3 surface for 1 cube. Okay, for 3 surface the electric fields will be parallel. Okay, that for 3 surface the electric field lines will be parallel, and for 3 surface the electric field lines will cross. That is why for 1 cube there are 6 faces, but out of 6 faces there will be the value of flux only 3 faces. There will be the value of flux only 3 faces. Okay, that is why the total flux phi E will be equal to, there are 8 cube, 1 by 8 will come. Okay, and in 8 cube, in 1 cube, so in 1 cube there are 6 faces. Okay, and the value of flux will be there for only 3 faces only. As there are, though there are 6 faces, the value of flux is only for 3 faces. That is why 1 by 3 is there. Multiply 1 by 3 into total flux is what? Q by epsilon naught. Okay, so the flux through its phase will be how much? 1 by 24 Q by epsilon naught. Q by epsilon naught. If you have any doubt regarding this question, you can call me also. Okay, this vertices is common to 8 cube. Okay, this vertices is common to 8 cube. That is why in 8 cube there are 6 faces. In every cube there are 6 faces. That means total faces how much? 48 faces. But you remember, in one cube, though there are 6 faces, the electric field lines will passing through 3 faces only. 3 faces only. That is why the flux will count only for 3 faces. The total flux will be the flux through each faces will be 1 by 24 into Q by epsilon naught. 1 by 24 into Q by epsilon naught. Okay. Then you go for the next question. Suppose we are given a hemisphere. Suppose this is a hemisphere. At the center, this is a hemisphere of radius r. This is a hemisphere of radius r, and this is the center. At center is O, and at the center there is a source Q. Okay, this is a hemisphere of radius r, and on the inside the hemisphere there is a source Q. Okay, we need to calculate the flux through this hemisphere. We need to calculate the flux through the hemisphere. Okay, so this is a positive point source. This is a positive point source. From this point source electric field lines will emerge out. यहाँ क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस बाहर निकलेगा. हमको क्या निकालना है? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू द हेमिस्फीयर. ये जो पॉइंट सोर्स है, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट सोर्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस विल इमर्जिंग आउट लाइक दिस. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जो है वो ऐसे बाहर निकलेगा क्योंकि ये पॉइंट सोर्स है. ओके, बट वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द फ्लक्स थ्रू दिस हेमिस्फीयर. फॉर दिस यू हैव टू कंसिडर द फुल स्फीयर. उसके लिए फुल स्फीयर टू कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. If you are considering the full sphere, what will be the flux through the full sphere? The flux through the sphere will be equal to your phi is equal to your Q by epsilon naught, because this sphere is enclosing amount of charge Q. That is why flux through the sphere is equal to your phi is equal to your Q by epsilon naught. Q by epsilon naught. So what is the value of flux through the hemisphere? The flux through the hemisphere phi E dash will be equal to your half of Q by epsilon naught. Half of Q by epsilon naught. Okay, so in next class we will do another some numericals. Okay.